Hello everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Quick little like housekeeping items. Oh my god, my shoulder's just like cracked. I don't know if you heard that, but so I've been pre-filming a lot of my videos, and so if down the line I like seem extra like, you know, like not really, I've just been like in a weird spot the last couple like days, week and a half or so. And unfortunately, since I have been pre-filming, some of those videos aren't going up until like later down the line, like way later down the line. So just bear with me through the weird ones. Second item, hi. So hopefully, if everything goes according to plan, I'm filming, editing, and uploading all today. So this is gonna be like an extra little bonus video, because usually I upload on Monday mornings. But it is currently Friday, but I, as I mentioned, have had like stuff planned out for literally the next like 3 months because I'm moving soon. So I have to like get most of my videos like pre-filmed and like up sort of. So I wanted to do this BOXYCHARM video, but I didn't know if I was getting the BOXYCHARM because I meant to cancel the subscription, but then I think I canceled it too late. So like they sent it to me anyway. So I got this and I wanted to do a video on it, so like here we are, but like that's why it's like up on a Friday/Saturday morning instead of like a Monday. There will also be a video on Monday, but like that's what this is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into my BOXYCHARM for December. So I have a mess in front of me and I have my card, and we're just going to start at the top, work our way down I suppose, and let's go. So the first thing I have on this card was the Artist Couture Caliente palette, which looks like this. I will say it was a little odd. It came in the box without a box. So like it was just in there, like there was no unicarton for it. It was just like in the box, which I mean, I'm not complaining. Was surprised. So this is what the inside of it looks like. And then I do have a clip of me applying it to my eyes to sort of achieve the look I'm wearing today. And honestly, I think that the mattes, I only used the brown matte, so I can't speak for the pigmentation on the other 4 in the palette. But the brown matte as well as the like shimmery shades apply beautifully, absolutely stunning. I really like my eye look today, which is funny because I don't usually go for like warm toned stuff like this, but I really like it. So I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. Don't know if that's gonna be like a regular thing for me, but like I'm liking it. So again, this is just, it's super slim, which I like. The pans are small, which is great because I don't see myself going through a palette in general. But yeah, I like the little magnetic closure on this one, and I think that it is a great add-on into their great thing for the box to have. It was $30, by the way, or like that's what they retail it as. So next thing is the Glamnetic eyelashes, which is what I'm wearing right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Usually I don't have to measure my eyelashes. I like kind of roughly measured it. Maybe I should have cut a little bit out of this corner, but like this one's fine. So my eyeliner's a little wonky here. I don't have a clip of me putting on the eyeliner. It smells like paint. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. It smells like paint. I do not like it. But it is just a brush tip like this. It's like a little bit fat, so you do have to really wipe it down. This was my first time trying something like this, so it's definitely a little interesting. I'll have a picture of what the lashes look like in the box right here, because they're on my eyes, so I can't show you like, oh, this is what they look like in the box, because they're on my face. So I'm just gonna get real close in here, and hopefully we'll focus. Maybe not, please. Pretty please. There we go. So this is what they look like on. I am wearing a thin coat of mascara obviously, but like all in all, this is the lashes. This side, like I said, it's a little fat in here. I don't know if you can actually see it all that well, probably can. But overall, this is what it looks like. And they're growing on me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge like false lash wearer. When I first put them on, I was like, oh crap, they take over my entire face. But now that I'm actually been wearing them for a little while, I'm like, kind of like them. So I don't know. But these retail for $63. Next I have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, which looks like this. I have a clip obviously again of me trying it on. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think by itself it looks really good, but I'm not sure, like layered with some other makeup, how much of it really comes through. I do think that a little bit of it has, like, you know, come through to just kind of make my skin a little extra glowy, but I'm not sure if it's anything like life-changing, especially considering I'm wearing it with like the lightest coverage foundation ever. This is the Glossier Skin Tint, so like the skin tint doesn't do much, so in theory this should show through. I think that this would be great for like if you're not wearing any makeup, like this is what you're putting on for the day to have glowy skin and like you're out. I think that would be great, but I'm not sure, at least with the amount that I used, how it will really work in terms of like going through and like showing through your makeup. So if that's what you're in the mood for, I don't think it's gonna be it. However, I do like it. I like the consistency. I do feel very moisturized, so that's a plus. Oh, and this retails for $49. Next I have a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Love You Back. It is one of their matte lipsticks. It's like this, and it is, again, the shade that I'm wearing on my lips right now. I honestly really like it. It's a very like mix between a cool undertone but also a neutral undertone like lipstick. I love the color of it. It's a little bit more than like a My Lips But Better, but I do think that the color looks really good with my complexion, and it's just a very nice neutral tone that you can wear with literally anything. So I am really happy about that, especially because my other two MAC lipsticks are getting kind of old. I'm keeping them, but like probably shouldn't be. So that's fun. And then the MAC lipsticks retail for $19. There's like a massive hawk outside my window. Okay, bye. Anyway, sorry. And then last thing that came in my box is this Eloise Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. So this is something that I don't usually like gravitate towards. I am wearing it today. I'm wearing it on my lower lash line though, because I wanted to test out the shimmers on my on my lids. So I do have this kind of accenting my lower lash line. I think it's really pretty, but just because you can't really see it on my eyes, I am gonna go ahead and swatch it. And it just, like, it is like in your face. So just because this isn't a formula that I typically go for, and I don't love the packaging, it looks like a nail polish bottle, which is beautiful, but like in terms of storage, I wish it was more like a Stila glitter, you know, rather than, I don't know, personal preference. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I think the color is gorgeous. I don't know that it's something that I would regularly gravitate towards. I definitely wouldn't have like bought this on my own if I had like seen it on an ad or like in a store or something. But with that being said, I don't know that there's anything that I would have picked up today that I would be like, ooh, I like that. Maybe the lipstick, just because of the color. But like, I know myself and I know that I don't need to buy lipsticks because I don't wear them all that often. So I suppose looking at it that way, there's nothing in this box that I would have bought. However, since I did, you know, buy the box for $25, I am really happy with the things that I did get. I do like this palette a lot. I think the colors in it are gorgeous. I'm excited to play around with some of the brighter colors. And I think the eyelashes are definitely interesting. Again, I don't know that I'm going to be like an everyday eyelash sort of a person, but I do like that I have them. I've seen all the ads pop up everywhere about Glamnetic, and so I think it's really cool that they were able to send those over in the box. And then I do think I like this, but for more of like a this is all I'm wearing sort of a thing, as opposed to like this is a base for my makeup. So with that being said, I don't think I had any like fails. Maybe this, just because like realistically I don't know that I'm ever going to use it. But all in all, my box comes out to a total of $187, and this is what everything looks like with the swatch, because you can't actually see it on my eyes. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are. If you did like the video, I'd appreciate you giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment if you feel so inclined. If you would like to see more of me in the future, I'm not sure why you would, but hey, to each their own. I'm not going to judge you. You can go ahead and subscribe down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.